Today, let's learn how to make paper mache clay. So, children, first we will tear the bits of paper, newspaper, or any waste paper and soak it in a tub of water for 2-3 days. After 2-3 days, squeeze the crushed paper in a tray. Now, take the small amount of newspaper and grind it in a blender or a mixer. See children, when I have grinded the whole newspaper in small portion, I get a paste like this. Just squeeze the paste in your hand so that all the lumps are removed. Children, take any small piece of muslin cloth or a cotton cloth like a dupatta or a chunni and squeeze all this pulp inside like this and keep it on the cloth like this. See, I'm squeezing the extra water and keeping it on the cloth. Here it is. All my pulp is here on the cloth, and now I'll just quickly take the pulp, make it into a small potli like this and squeeze all the water like this. See, I'm just squeezing all the water, tying it up together and squeezing all the water. Now children, squeeze as much water as you can, and here it is. See, now see, I'll just open this and can you see, this is the pulp I get. Now the extra water I have already taken it out, but if you feel, you can still squeeze it and keep it in a mixing bowl like this. I have used the same bowl in which I have soaked the paper, so I'm using the same tub, a small tub, so you can also use. You keep on squeezing some water so that you get the dry pulp or the wet pulp like this, very coarse. Now you just remove any lump, just roll it in your hands like this so that all are scrambled and there are no lumps. Now children, this is important. What I have done is I have taken one bowl and I have measured my pulp. They are 2 cups of newspaper pulp and I have taken this as my measuring cup. So 2 cups of newspaper I have put. Now I will take the same measuring cup and use maida or putti. I'll just fill half of it and then add a little water to make it into a paste like this. See, so you don't have to fill the whole cup with maida or putti, but just half, and then add some water to make a full cup of maida putti paste. You can use either maida or you can use either putti, whatever is convenient to you. Like this, just make a smooth paste and put inside the pulp. Now children, for 2 cups of newspaper I have taken 2 cups of putti like this. See, now after adding the 2 cups of putti in 2 cups of newspaper pulp, I will add 1 cup of Fevicol. Now children, you use the same measuring cup so that your ingredients are right. So I am repeating, for 2 cups of newspaper pulp you add 2 cups of putti. Children, I will also add 2 caps of vinegar, like 2 spoon or the 2 bottle caps of vinegar, so that there is no bacterial or a fungus formation. Now children, knead it in a soft dough. As you can see right now, it is too sticky, but don't worry because the newspaper will going to soak lot of water and Fevicol. So keep on mixing it, and as you will mix it for 5 to 10 minutes, you will find that it is becoming hard like this. But if you still feel it is sticky or watery, you can add a little maida or putti. Here I am using putty only. I am showing you how I have made the clay with the putty. But it is the same procedure for the maida also. Keep on kneading it and just knead it for 2 or 3 minutes more. Now children, just put it like this. If it is sticking, that means your dough is absolutely right. Make it into a ball shape. If it is forming it with a smooth surface, your dough is almost ready. So now like this, keep on kneading it for another 1 or 2 minutes and it's almost done. Now see. Now we will add a little 1 spoon or 2 spoons of cooking oil, any cooking oil which is available in your house, so that it binds together and it comes together. See children, like this. See, now my hands are also clean. Can you see? Because of the oil, it is not sticking in my hand. That is why we use oil. Like this. See how smooth this is? Now this is almost done. My clay is done. Once it is all in shape, now I'll just take a plastic bag and keep it inside like this. Cover it nicely like this. See, just make it in one small ball like this and keep it in a airtight container, children. Now you can use this clay instantly, or also you can use or store this clay for 3 to 4 days. Now children, our paper mache clay is ready and we can use this clay to make different things that I'll teach you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.